from being ill. I might still look a little bit ill or sound a little bit ill, but yeah, I'm back. Just a video on Fartcoin here. So my last video, we were looking at this level, and I said if we could hold this level, we'd break up. We broke down, but ultimately we've completely failed to hold this range. Like totally failed to hold this range. We've actually broken down now below this support here, which is somewhat concerning for me. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I'm short on Cardano. You know, I think we've got around a kind of 15% retracement on some majors to come before we see the market move up. Now, taking that philosophy into Fartcoin here, and the fact that we've broken down now below this high, I'm looking at the next kind of key level, and the next key level on Fartcoin for me is down here at around, well, 420 really, which would be quite fitting. So with that in mind, I think that the market shaves off on majors 15%. On Fartcoin, it's going to do damage. It would mean kind of 32% down on Fartcoin, which is absolutely doable. We've seen kind of 15-20% one candles before on Fartcoin. Massively volatile asset. So my kind of main thesis market wide, I'm just going to upload a video on what I think about total market cap. I think long term we're bullish. Bull market leads into Q1, Q2 of 2026. I'm going to be getting seriously long on Fartcoin around 420. Not the date, the price 0.42. As of right now, you could short this if you wanted to. I think it's slightly risky, being where we're at with the market. Everything's down substantially. But now, I was looking if we could hold this for mid-range. My original thesis here on Fartcoin was deviation, break, hold, come to mid-range. Then I would have looked for another sweep here before we've gone up. That trade has gone out the window now. Now we're looking for further breakdowns and support. It would be a phenomenal entry if we could get 0.42, absolutely phenomenal entry, and then look to retag the highs. But this is now, I'm thinking now that this is going to be the final sweep before alts finally take off. Let me know your thoughts on Fartcoin, or if you want me to do any other coins. I'm back. Peace.